What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So what are we doing today? It's real simple. We're putting the transmission onto the engine. But really nothing more complicated than that, I hope. We'll see. I've been having some trouble with the engine stand, or I should say the engine hoist. It doesn't seem to hold pressure for very long. I even replaced the cylinder and it still seems to settle pretty quickly. So we're going to see how well I can do this. The engine's not going back into the car today. I just want to get the transmission mounted so that hopefully this weekend I can actually get the engine into the car. So with that, without any further ado, be sure you like, subscribe, leave comments down below, and let's see if we can get this done. Here's the reason why, when you're putting this bracket back on, you don't tighten it. Those aren't lined up at all. So we're gonna undo these two bolts back here, and then hopefully we can get this lined up right here. Like on the other side, there's two spots for bolt. It's the reason why we leave this loose, so we can move it around and get everything lined up perfectly over here. All right, that's it. The engine is relatively back together. The transmission is on. It's time to put this thing into the car. This has been, well, over a year, probably about a year and a half project that I've been working on. And so we're finally ready to put this thing back in the car. Hopefully I've done everything right. At this point, we'll find out when we finally get around to firing it. But with that, I'm kind of speechless, quite honestly. I am super happy that this thing is ready to go. And so, yeah, stay tuned. Next episode, not next season, definitely next episode. Next episode, that thing's going in the car. So with that, please leave your comments down below. Be sure to like, subscribe, share this out. I hope it's been helpful for people. And with that, see ya.